Hey everyone, welcome back to The Dish. We've been talking about summertime, and that means we have a little extra time on our hands, and it's no better time to be creative than now. And if you're scratching your head for ideas, well, no problem, because here to help us come up with so many creative things all the time is Signature Mike. It's time for Trending with Signature Mike.
Well, you know, usually we do home decor stuff.
Right.
But, you know, the kids are home this summer. They're going to be going back to school.
Yes.
So I thought we would do some fun back-to-school projects they could work on this summer.
Exactly. Get them busy, not in your hair all the time, right?
That's right. That's right.
And it'll be helpful when school starts back, like you said.
Right.
So what do you have for us
Well,
today?
every kid has notebooks they take to school.
Right.
And, you know, I sew pillows and drapery and all of that stuff. So I thought, let me do a sewing project.
Yeah,
so
how cute is
I used
that?
outdoor fabric, so it's going to wear really well. And I made a cover, and the inside you can see. And
Oh,
as
there
you
you
put
go.
this in here, I made this in like 20 minutes. It's very
Really?
easy to do, and you could use scraps of fabric. Again, outdoor fabric is best, but this is really super.
Well, listen, instead of spending like $10 on a really trendy little booklet, then you just make it your own and you can keep it for whatever
That's
booklet
right.
that
You could
have.
put names inside, but you have a
Yeah.
pocket in here to put a calculator or something.
Right.
A pocket in the back for pencils.
That is so cute. I never would have thought
So
of that.
super cool.
DIY. There you
Another
go.
thing with schools, they are doing covers for books, so the kids
Okay.
aren't defacing the books and all of that
Right.
stuff. So I use my craft paper.
Okay.
I use this, I wrap gifts with this, it's really fun.
Yeah.
But I used it for this, it's really nice and thick, so it works to cover a book. I've already
Exactly.
made one for you
I
so
know,
that you
I've
can
started.
personalize it.
I'm gonna start personalizing while you make that, right?
And I'm gonna make this. So I cut this book, I cut this paper, I cut it a little larger than the book, and
It's
we
easy to
fold the
wrap.
top and the bottom in. And I did not invent this. You can find this online if you can't follow along with me.
Yeah,
But
we're
you
moving
can
a little quicker here, huh?
easily. These stay on pretty well too because it creates a little pocket for the ends. And then Anna is stamping. We
Look at
got
that.
some color ink and some stampers.
Ooh.
And
Can
so
you
this
tell
is
what
nice.
it says? All right, it's
It's
a
a
girl.
girl! You just had your gender
So
reveal.
cute.
I
Yes,
saw that.
I'm
It's
so
really great.
excited. Can you tell?
So
but
that's
yeah, what a neat
fun
way.
and personalizing,
then you
yeah.
can personalize it yourself. That's cool.
Kids are taking backpacks to school.
Right.
So I will let you show them these backpack tags, and I am going to
This is a
make
really
one.
good idea, especially for your little kids, because if they misplace a backpack, excuse me, you have a tag on there. It has your information on the back, and you can personalize it. I think this is such a great idea.
Yeah, I'm personalizing this one with a little football.
Easy to do. Yeah.
So we have John on the front, a little football on the back. I use laminating pads. I laminate them like I
Right.
did there. I put a hole
Make 'em
punch
a
in
little
it. And look
sturdier.
at these great ribbons we find.
I know, so cute.
So we have rainbow, we have
Kid
music
loves
notes,
music.
exactly, ABCs if they're a young child, football, which is what I was
So
going to do here
cute.
because I was putting football on the back
Right,
of John.
right. Makes
so
sense.
That's really fun. Pencils, look at this fun
This
pencil.
is my favorite.
This is really great.
This is so fun. Do I
So
get to keep this?
You can keep it, sure.
Yeah.
You can find these great sticky sheets at Michael's, is where I found it.
Right.
And
Well, you don't have to put one by one. It's actually a sticky sheet,
it's
y'all.
a whole sheet. So I'm taking this off, and we're just going to roll this on this pencil.
Just wrap it. That is such a neat
Now,
idea. And I know
sharpening it is going to be one thing. You may have to peel
Right.
it back to sharpen because
or
these are.
even do the ends or something at the bottom.
That's true.
And then you have tape as well.
Look at that
too.
one that we just did.
So cute, guys. Look,
How fun is that?
I'm taking these. These are mine.
I have these little to place
As a
place in a
bookmark?
bookmark. Thank you. I
Yeah.
couldn't think of the word. These big paper clips, and then again some ribbon.
Take that ribbon.
Yeah, take the ribbon,
What a
dog
cute
ear it at
DIY.
the end. How cute is that?
I love that. Listen, all of these are so much fun, and you're going to have so much fun at home doing them. And you can visit Mike at Signature Interior, Signature Home, and he can help you with anything interior as well. Thank you so much, Mike,
Have a
for
great
joining us.
summer.